Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today we'll cook the famous Tuysilog. Let's do it! Here are the ingredients. We have vinegar with hot peppers. We have garlic, scallion, onions. We have eggs and cooked rice for frying. We're gonna do a fried rice, and we have olive oil, salt and pepper, and kikkoman sauce. We have already the tuyo or dried fish here, which we cooked earlier. Okay, let's proceed to cooking. Okay, let's do the fried rice first. Okay, we'll put a little bit of oil, olive oil, and next is our garlic. And next is the onions. This will be easy, a real short procedure. And then we will put the rice. We're gonna mix it. Put soy sauce or kikkoman sauce. Salt and pepper. Salt, I'm sorry, no pepper. Okay. And then this will be cooked in 3 minutes. We'll be back with you. Now here is our fried rice. So we'll just set this aside for the meantime. Now I'll teach you how to cook fluffy scrambled egg. Okay, some people they overcook scrambled egg and it doesn't look good. So we're gonna put oil here, some olive oil, okay, and let the it will be on medium fire or low to medium fire. Okay, and we have our egg here. I'm gonna pour the eggs. Okay. And then once the edges is being cooked, meaning it's done in the edges, okay, but what we are looking for is the middle part. We have to push the cooked egg in the middle. Okay. So this is floppy now. Push to the middle, like that. The fire should be only low fire, and then flip it over. See how fluffy it is? Some people they put milk also. So we'll be right back with you. Now here's the finished product, Tuysilog.